Hi, greetings everyone. In this video, we will understand how to level the resources in Project 2013. Project's level resources feature delays and splits the resource assignments to help you get rid of over allocations. You can level the entire project or just the portions that are giving you trouble. You are going to work on resource over allocations. The best view is the leveling Gantt. So on the task tab here, in the task tab, click on the bottom half of the Gantt chart button and then choose leveling Gantt. So here, if you're not able to see the leveling Gantt, go to the more views. Here you'll get the option that is leveling Gantt. Select it and click on apply. Now go to the resource tab. Before you actually level resources, you have to set some options to tell the project how you want to level. So to do that, in level section, click leveling option. The first choice is automatic or manual. It's set to manual by default and that's really the best choice. That means project will only level when you tell it to. If you select automatic, project re-levels whenever you make a change to the project and that slows everything down. So keep it on manual. The next choice is the time frame that we use. The best option is to use a little bit longer time frames because over allocation have a way of just working out over time. So in this case, you might want to do week to week. If it's really long project, you could even choose month by month. The checkbox clear leveling values before leveling it turned on by default. And that's a setting you want to keep. That tells the project to get rid of all the delays it added before and then start over. It makes it a lot easier to see what you are doing. You can also level the entire project or a date range. When you first start, you can level the entire project. Then level on when you are working on a smaller part of the project. You can select the level option and then choose the date range to just level that part of the project. The leveling order is set to standard here. If you assign the priorities to the tasks, choose the priority standard. That way, higher priority tasks gets scheduled first and that way the project delays the lower priority tasks. The checkbox level only within available slack is turned off and you want to keep it that way. Available slack is really in short supply in a project. So if you turn this checkbox on, usually the resources leveling isn't going to make a whole lot of difference. The next checkbox, leveling can adjust individuals' assignments on a task. In a lot of cases, it's one particular resource that's over allocated. So by turning this checkbox on the way it is here, project can readjust that particular assignment and leave the others the way they are. The next checkbox, leveling can create splits in remaining work, is also turned on. That's another one to keep the way it is. That way the project can put splits and tasks to get rid of the over allocations. If we use proposed resources turned on the next checkbox, but in this project we just have regular resources, they are all committed to the project, so we will leave it turned off. The last checkbox, leveling manually scheduled tasks, is also turned on by default and you want to keep it that way. Once all the options are set, just click on OK. Project will use those options every time you level until you go back in and change them. If you want to level the entire project in ribbon, just click the level all. But in this case, I want to level one resource. So I click on the level resource. And actually, if you have the task selected, then the level selection button will also be active and you can click that one. But I will click the level resource, then scroll down and select the product manager and say level now. So wherever is the product manager, here. In this case, the tan bars are of the original dates and the blue bars are the level dates. Well, this first task is the same, but the second task you can see that there's been a delay added. Now here if you see, a delay is added. This leveling did work because all the red people indicators are gone. So when I clicked on leveling all, it has leveled everything and all the red people are gone here from now from the indicator columns. So the office manager is no longer over allocated. The marketing manager is no more over allocated here. If for some reason you don't like the results of leveling, go up to the quick access toolbar and say undo. So that is it. We'll be back to the original view here. You can also click clear leveling on the ribbon here. You can make short work of leveling resource workloads by setting leveling options and then telling the project to level all or part of your project. If you don't like the results, you can undo leveling, change the settings and try again. So with this, we are to the end of our video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.